Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2015 Forest River Sierra 365 SAQ quad slide bunkhouse fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up the video by showing you all the features on the outside. Overall length is 41 feet 7 inches. And the dry weight on this, I can show you that when you walk in the door here, the entry door, there's usually a little yellow telltale sticker here, which gives you usually your VIN number there, and dry weight, which is unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the manufacturing line. 13,029 pounds is exactly what this weighs empty. This is a Four Seasons camper. It does have the fully enclosed heated underbelly. All your holding tanks are heated, so you can go into cold weather without worrying about your holding tanks freezing. Let my camera adjust to the lighting. Give you an idea of this floor plan before I get started. Okay, this is a quad slide fifth wheel. First slide out is in the living room, and first slide out is probably about 12 foot long and 3 foot deep. You do have the ultra leather finish on all your furniture, and all your leatherette furniture is all in excellent condition. This camper has not been detailed whatsoever. Other than that, it's still a nice coach, but I'll show you on the outside a little bit of some areas where the birds got on it. Boot dinette breaks down into a bed. Sleep two adults easily here. This is a Jackknife sleeper sofa. The back and the bottom lay down like a futon. You can sleep, definitely want a grown adult there. And you've got lots of storage in this coach. Nice area for pots and pans or blankets. Show you the fabric here. And this is a cloth. Give you an idea of the color scheme. You do have night shades all throughout, and the windows are tinted, 80% tint. Okay, in your kitchen area here, I'm going to show you, start off in the kitchen by showing you this huge upgrade, the 20 cubic foot residential style refrigerator by Whirlpool. Does have the ice maker, and it does have a standalone inverter to power the refrigerator while you're going down the road. Definitely not your usual refrigerator on an RV. This is definitely going to be the largest refrigerator you can get on a fifth wheel. There's your ice maker there, and you do have a stainless steel finish on all your appliances, and I believe that may have been part of a package. You do have the stainless steel finish on the microwave, which is the huge Whirlpool microwave, and it does have nice it's like a coin style or stone backsplash. 3-burner gas cooktop with a glass lid. The front one's going to be probably a high output. You do have a nice size oven. It's all suburban. Nice coin style solid surface countertops. And this does have a double bowl sink, and this is a stone cast. It's not plastic. A lot of residential features on this. This is the sink that's mounted underneath the countertop, just like you find in your home. Nice Moen style square faucet. Electrical outlets galore all over the place. You do even have full-length metal ball bearing drawer guides, and you do have beautiful solid wood drawer fronts, and the styles are solid wood. Nice area to put maybe some plants for decoration. You do have the ceiling fan. Your TV, I believe, is going to be about a 40-inch flat screen or 42-inch. I'll have to double check in the brochure. Nice sound bar. This is Bluetooth capable, USB hookups, so you can hook up your smart devices. Does have Blu-ray disc player. Pretty nice. This is equipped with dual AC units. Here's one right here with the quick dump feature. Cools it off real quick, and then once you get the camper cooled off after 5 minutes, you can shut off the louvers here, and then you'll have ducted AC all throughout. So I believe it's going to be a 15,000 BTU AC in the living room, and then the second one's probably going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit. All recessed puck lights, and they're all LED to save you on your battery. All the lights in this coach and outside are LEDs, so saves you on your battery. Nice pantry space here. Speed this video up a little bit. More pantry space there. Here's your thermostat for your furnace. I believe your furnace is probably going to be a 40,000 BTU furnace, one of the largest ones you're going to get on a fifth wheel. And this is a bunkhouse floor plan, so this is basically a 2-bedroom. This is going to be your second slide out, and it's about 8 foot, maybe 7 foot long, and it's about 3 foot deep. And I'll show you. You've got like a single here, and on the other side of that wall is the outside kitchen that I'll show you when we go outside. Nice double up here. So you've got 3. You can sleep easily right here. 3 kiddos if you want. And then on the third slide out here, opposing this slide out, you do have a nice, I don't know if they're calling that a double or a queen. It's probably a double. Definitely sleep 2 grown adults easily there, and then looks like a single here. So again, you have 3, so you can sleep easily 6 kids back here if you want. You do have another, I think that's going to be probably a 40-inch flat screen also, and it's satellite and cable ready in all the bedrooms. So lots of storage space. Like, these are all closets. They're filled to the rim with stuff, blankets. So nice linoleum for easy clean out through your high traffic area. This is a 1.5 bath floor plan. Got a half bath here, and you do have access out to the patio, so people aren't trotting dirt through your living room just to use the facilities. And this coach does have 2 black tanks, so you've got 2 holding tanks for the toilet tank, and then 2 for the gray tank, or your shower and sink water. Foot flush porcelain toilet. And again, all your AC is all ducted all the way through. Recessed puck lights, more lights than you can imagine on this coach. This is equipped with a central vac system here. That definitely was an option. And this is the side aisle hallway. You get up to the master bath and master bedroom. Show you the master bedroom here. This is going to be your 4th slide out, and that's going to be a king bed, and that was an option. Bed lifts up. There's storage up underneath. Nice closets back here. This is washer and dryer ready, prepped. This is a 50 amp coach, so again, this is definitely a 4 seasons camper, so you can live in this if you wanted to. Nice beautiful leatherette or a vinyl or leather headboard. And that's probably going to be a 14-inch flat screen. Again, it's satellite and cable ready in the bedroom. And there's your second AC. Again, that's probably going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit. Here's that quick dump feature I was showing you in the living room. You shut it off and it's ducted all the way through. Pretty nice feature. Beautiful bathroom, beautiful garden shower. Glass enclosed garden shower. Nice vanity area. You do have a fantastic vent fan. You get all the stuffy smells out. Again, it's all ducted all the way through on AC and your heat. This is a nice little night light here, LED blue LED light to accent your bathroom at night. And you also have regular LED lights. Foot flush porcelain toilet. I think I pointed out everything on the inside here. Let's go ahead and go on outside. Alright, as I said, it's right around 41 feet, 7 inches long. And this is definitely not an entry-level trailer whatsoever. Full profile. It's got the beautiful front molded painted fiberglass front cap with LED light accents. I did notice some of the LED lights are going out. That's common, but I'll show you this other LED light here. And a few of the LEDs are going out, but it's really a non-issue. Beautiful front cap, easy to clean. You do have they're calling this a high gloss gel coat finish, easier to clean, and the color is bled all the way through. A gel coat, you're going to pretty much eliminate any oxidation. Do have front hydraulic leveling jacks, fully enclosed heated underbelly. This is actually a pretty light fifth wheel for almost a 42 footer. This is all aluminum frame construction. Show you your storage area here, or your garage. You do have a nice battery disconnect to save you on your battery when you're stowing it away. Nice power, 110 power outlets, satellite ready. All your baggage doors are all insulated. Slam latch baggage doors. Nice feature. Show you all your slide outs are all hydraulic, and this is your selector switch here for your hydraulic system. So if you don't want to put one or two of the slide outs out or in, you can select which slide outs you want in and out. Pretty neat feature. All your windows are all 80% tint, UV protected, so it won't damage your furniture inside if you leave the shades open and you're down in Florida for long periods of time. Exterior entertainment center. This has a full entertainment package. Obviously, as I showed you on the inside, you have all the TVs, even the sound bar, which is usually something you're not going to get on a fifth wheel. All your decals are in great condition. Excellent condition, pretty much. There's one little area I'll show you in the back where the owner just got into the trim, just cosmetic damage, but I'll show you that. LED light. I believe this is going to be it's going to be one of the largest awnings you can get. I think that's going to be a 22 footer. Power awning, fully adjustable. Outside shower on the front side here, and you also have one on the back side, so you have two outside shower hookups. These are 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, easy lube axles, full adjusting brakes. All the tires are nitro filled. There's a little green cap to show you that. Nice outlet here, plugging in odds and ends. This is your door to get into your bathroom here. Easy access to the bathroom. Nice grab handles for safety. Okay, on the slide out here, this is the bunkhouse area. This is the outside kitchen package. Nice, again, stainless steel finish on the microwave. I do check to make sure the digital readout's working, and it is. Here we go. Sometimes the microwaves go out. Nice sink. And you do have a monitor panel here to show you where you are on your gray tank here, and which is nice. And you do have a little ladybug here. Okay, you do have LED lights here and here, and then you have like a little night light or mood lighting in the evening. Kind of accent your patio at night, which is nice. Lots of cabinet space, counter space. Nice dorm style refrigerator. And that refrigerator may be hooked up to the 1,000 watt inverter. Most of the times they are when it does have when it offers a 1,000 watt inverter for the refrigerator inside. Usually they'll tie it into this one too, but don't quote me on that, but I like to think that it is. Back up here, kind of give you an idea of the floor plan or the layout. Ladder to get up to your full walk-on aluminum framed roof. You do have the really neat grill hooked up to the back here. It just swings out. And you do have the full awning package, slide out awning package. That definitely was an option. Slide out awnings over all your slide outs. I did check this camper for delamination, which is the bubbling you get on the outside of the coach. I did not find any issues. I did check around the slide outs for stress cracks, usually caused when you're going down the road and poor construction. Did not find any issues with stress cracks around the slide outs, and there is absolutely no delam that I noticed on this coach. All the tires are in great condition to excellent. Let me back up here. I'll show you that little corner where the owner got into clip something, just kind of barely snagged it, and it bent this aluminum here. It just bent it right here actually, and anyway, it's a non-issue. It's cosmetic. If you're real particular like I am, I've got a buddy who can actually do it for pretty cheap. Just get the strip for probably 20 bucks, and then it's probably a half-hour labor job. I couldn't imagine it costing more than 100 bucks if you were going to take it to a dealer to get it fixed. But anyway, other than that, and the fact that it's a little dirty, I'm real picky when I do my walk-arounds, and I do point out things that usually people probably wouldn't notice. But see, it's got a few bird droppings on the side here. All the decals are excellent condition. It just needs a nice detail. It's the beginning of the season. It's March, so anyway, this coach is still at the storage lot. It does have the 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. You do have the furnace exhaust there. There's your 50 amp cord, marine style cord. You can unplug it and stow your cord away. Show you your wet bay here, or your hookup station. It's all centrally located. You do have city water here hookup, fresh water hookup here. And you do have, here's your winterizing. Just follow the directions and easy to figure out. Here's all your satellite hookups, cable hookup, black tank 2, and which is your toilet tank 2, probably for your bathroom. Black tank 1, that might be for your up in the master bedroom area. And here's your dump valves. I'm sorry, these are your black tank sewer flushes. So you can hook up a hose to this and rinse out your sewer tanks, your toilet tanks. And here's your black tank dump lever here, and there's probably one back in the back for the kids' room, bathroom. This is a great tank for your shower water and sink water, outside shower with disconnecting. Here's your disconnect sprayer, and I believe that's another battery disconnect. LED lights in your storage bay here. Let's go ahead and turn that off. You got a nice light here. There's a little switch right here. Turn that off. Dual batteries. Usually you'll just get one, so that's definitely a nice upgrade. All right. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.